guys, today I'm gonna read you, it's not a storybook, but it's 50 nursery rhymes. I got this from my music class at school. It has my name on it and my class on it. So let's start, and make sure you subscribe and like this video. The first one is a rhyme for ham, jam. A rhyme for mustard, custard. A rhyme for steak, cake. A rhyme for rice, another slice. A rhyme for stew, you. A rhyme for mush, hush. A rhyme for prunes, goons. A rhyme for pie, I. A rhyme for iced tea, me. For the pantry self, myself. That was the first song. Now sing the second song. This is called An Apple for the King. An apple for the king, and a pear for the queen, and a good jump over the bowling green. Now let's sing the third song. This one you might know it. Two of them you might already saw it. This one's called Baba Black Sheep. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. One for the master and one for the dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane. And the fourth one is Bim Bam. Here you can make a little dance with it. Let's start. 3, 2, 1. Bim bam, biddy biddy bam, biddy biddy bim bam, biddy biddy bam, bim bam, biddy bim bam, biddy bim bam, biddy biddy bam. You can repeat it if you want. Here's the 6th song. It's called Cobbler, Cobbler, mend my shoe. Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoe. Have it done by 2:30. 2:30, it's much too late. Have it done by 8:30. Now, the next one is, the 7th one is, cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo, my dame has lost a shoe. My master's lost his fiddling stick, so cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo, my dame has found her shoe. My master's found his fiddling stick, so cock-a-doodle-doo. Boom. Here's the 8th one. Here's the 9th one. Diddle diddle dumpling, it's called. Now this is how you sing it. Diddle diddle dumpling, my son John went to bed with his trousers on. One shoe off and one shoe on. Diddle diddle dumpling, my son John. That was the 9th one, and Dr. Foster is the 10th one. Dr. Foster went to Gloucester in a shower of rain. He stepped in a puddle right up to his middle, and he never went there again. And this is the Dr. Foster that we're talking about. And this is From Wibbleton to Wobbleton. This is also like Bim Bam, but this is another dance. From Wibbleton to Wobbleton is 15 miles. From Wibbleton to Wobbleton is 15 miles. From Wibbleton to Wobbleton, from Wibbleton to Wobbleton, from Wibbleton to Wobbleton is 15 miles. From Wibbleton to Wobbleton is 15 miles. From Wibbleton to Wobbleton, from Wibbleton to Wobbleton, from Wibbleton to Wobbleton is 15 miles. That's quite a fast song, but you can keep practicing. The next one is Mrs. Mason bought a basin. Mrs. Mason bought a basin. Miss Tyson said, "What a nice one." "What did it cost?" said Mrs. Frost. "Half a crown," said Mrs. Brown. "Did it indeed?" said Mrs. Reed. "It did for certain," said Mrs. Burton. Then Mrs. Nix, up to her tricks, threw the basin on the bricks. This is the next one. In the other video, I'll be doing this on the piano because it has all the piano notes on it. Now I'm gonna sing it with my voice. Please porridge hot, please porridge cold, please porridge in the pot, 9 days old. Yuck, some like it hot, some like it cold, some like it in the pot, 9 days old. Yuck. Now, this and my class all love this song. The man in the moon came down too soon. He found the way to north. He went by the south, and he burnt his mouth from eating cold plum porridge. These two have porridge in it. This is my favorite song, the Song of the Bee. Zoom, 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 busy bees must zoom. You can tell that he is coming by his buzzing and his humming. Zoom, 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 busy bees must zoom. You can repeat it. This is another one. There was a crooked man, and he walked a crooked mile. He found a crooked 6 men upon a crooked stile. He brought a crooked cat, which caught a crooked mouse, and they all lived together in a little crooked house. That's a fast one again. Maybe this one you know it. This is the last song. This old man, he played one. And here's the writing. It's pretty long. This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my drum with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played one. He played two. He played knick-knack on my shoe with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played three. He played knick-knack on my tree with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played four. He played knick-knack on my door with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played five. He played knick-knack on my hive with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. I hope you like this nursery rhyme book. I hope you can watch another video of mine. Bye, see you later. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow my videos. Bye!